I've stolen them from someone else. I'm his wife.
Hello everyone, how are you doing? I'm back with a lot of apologies and a video. So first of all, I have to say I'm so sorry for not posting for a long time, but here I am with good news. Okay, thank you so much for all your supports and love that you gave to the other mother video. That means a lot to me, thank you. So I have a gift for you, and today we're going to do another characters tutorial, which is going to be a cartoon, and it's one of the Tim Burton's movie which I love so much, and that's nothing but The Corpse Bride. I'm sure you like it too, so let's not waste the time and get to it. So the first thing we do after moisturizing is specifying her face and our face with some black lines. Now paint these parts black. Okay, here's the black parts, and now that we are painting black, let's work a little bit on the neck. She has tiny neck and long, exactly like Cruella and the other mother. So let's do it. Honestly, I'm not really sure if the black parts are enough or too much. So probably I'm gonna work on the face and blue parts, and if it was too much, we're gonna remove it, and if it wasn't enough, we're gonna paint it again. Okay, so first I wanna work on the eyes, and I guess again we have lots of problems with hiding the eyebrows. So we have two choices. We can hide it with tape, which I'm not sure if it works or not, or we can use a bunch of foundation on it, and like Cruella video, again we hide it with other colors, like for example this makeup, white and blue. Okay, so I use this tape, but I'm not really sure if it's good or not even right now, but let's work with it, and if I didn't like it, I will remove it. Don't worry. It should be two big circles in these areas, and they're gonna be the eyeballs, and then we have to work in here the lashes and eyelids, and then the eyebrows here. Alright guys, so there's a watermark right here if I'm not mistaken, and if you click on it, you subscribe to our YouTube channel right away, so do it.
Darling, who's this? Who is she? I'm his wife.
So the eyeballs should obviously be white, and because she's looking at her left side, we should draw two little black circles here. Alright, so here it is. It's like I'm wearing the sunglasses, a beautiful one. Now we have to work on our face And so all we need is blue color and white. All over her face, our face should be light blue, except for this part and around our eyes, which should be dark blue. And for here, it's because we want it to look 3D, and also it's her cheeks, so it should be darker. Alright, I made a decision. I want to work on the eyebrows first, and then we paint the face. With these eyebrows, it looks like that I'm sad or nervous all the time. Okay, now I just understood that we have to specify the lips, so let's work on the lips. So she's got kind of big lips and pink. Alright, so there are the lips, and we're gonna work on it later, so let's back to face. Alright, so before it gets dry, I need a darker blue for around my eyes, so I use this color. Okay, it's hard to fake this color, so probably I'm gonna use the dark blue eyeshadow later. Now we can work on the face. Okay, now it's time for working on the nose, and then we can go back and work on the details. Unlike me, she has a tiny nose, so we have to just highlight this part and use a dark blue or dark anything for beside their nose. Alright, so I like the nose, but probably I'll be working on it later, so I just want to work on the eyelids and eyelashes, and then we can work on the details of other parts. I use dark blue for this part. Okay, now we have to work on the eyebrows and eyelashes, and then we can go and work in the lips. I'm really not satisfied with these eyelashes, but there's nothing really I can do about it. So maybe I work on it later, or maybe I just leave it like this. Never mind. Let's work on the lips. I do really like the shape of her lips. And now I'm gonna use this beautiful pink lipstick for the lips. There are some cracks on her face, so we're gonna draw them now. Also, we need to use some dark blue or even black color as a blush for these parts under her cheeks. I really love this makeup, although I look sad because of these eyebrows, but I'm really happy with it. So as you see, we're done with the face, and I'm not sure if I want to draw those little circles in my eyes. So let's just work on the neck and get dressed, and then we can decide. Alright guys, so this is the final look of our Curves Bride makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. I'm sure you enjoy it because I myself have so much fun doing this makeup. And if you like it, do not forget to share it with your friends and tell me your opinions in the comments. That makes me happy. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn notifications on so you can be aware of the latest videos that we post. And for the last time, don't forget to subscribe because we're going to post a lot of characters makeup tutorial like cartoons and even Hollywood movies. So don't forget, and have a nice day. Bye bye.